In all my years in the construction business, I've used all sorts of things to support my work. Out on the job site, we could nail something together that was really sturdy, but not very portable. Then we could go to a home supply store and buy something made out of plastic that was really portable, but the problem was you just couldn't count on it. It wasn't sturdy at all. But recently I've discovered something that's both highly portable and sturdy. It's durable. And that's this mobile project center from Kreg. It really hits all the things that I want because it gives me a great work surface when it's set up like this, but also I can fold it down and mount a 2x4 to the top that's sacrificial so I can use it just like a sawhorse. One of the things I really like though is they built in places for me to use my clamps that I already own, and it comes with a clamp. So I can clamp horizontally like this, but I can also use it vertically by putting it in this slot on the end. There's also another clamp rail on the bottom side that lets me use my Kreg clamps that have 2 pads. And that's great for me because this surface basically becomes a clamping table. I do a lot of pocket hole joinery putting frames together on site, and this just lets me use this as a clamp table anywhere along this side. Now this is a great work surface, but it's also a great place that you can put a portable power tool like a planer or a miter saw, just something you set up quick when you get on the job site. And we do that all the time on smaller jobs. But if I'm getting out on a bigger job, there's also a way I can put 2 of these together to get a much bigger working surface. These connectors fit into slots on the end, and I can actually join 2 or 3 of these together at one time. There's one other thing that I can do though if I want a really big table, and this actually kind of replaces what we used to do on the job site a lot, which was build a big wooden table, which that's great until the job's over, then you got to try and haul the wooden table away. So I can take 2 of these and put them together and actually make that big wooden table, but I've also got all that clamping function on the end that I didn't have with the wooden table we built. These brackets are the secret to doing that. They're designed to go in the end right here, and then we can put 2x4s together running between 2 of these units and make that big table that I like to use on the job site. In the lowest position, the 2x4s are 3/4 of an inch below this work surface. So when I drop a piece of 3/4 plywood in, I get a flush surface. But there's a couple other options. By raising the brackets up, the 2x4s come up and I can create a cutting surface out of 2x4s without having to worry about cutting into my tops. This mobile project center is exactly what I've been looking for all these years. It's durable enough to hold up that I can count on it while I'm working, but portable enough that I can take it to all the job sites I have to hit in a week.